In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to sign into your account on the Cash App. Now, to fix this issue, the first thing you need to do is head over to the home screen on your mobile device, and from here we're just going to head over to the App Store. Click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and scroll down to updates, and just make sure you're running the latest version of the Cash App. If you do see any outdated software inside of here, then you'll need to go ahead and install that now. Now, once you've ensured the Cash App is fully up to date, then what we're going to do is just head back over to the application, and then you'll need to bring up the control center by using your finger and dragging the home screen down. And the first thing that I'd recommend doing is just turning on aeroplane mode. Now, you need to leave this turned on for around about 5 seconds, and then we can disable it. And if you have both Wi-Fi and cellular data turned on here like I do, then I'd recommend turning one of these off. So we can either choose to use our Wi-Fi by turning the cellular data off, or you can choose to use your cellular data and turn the Wi-Fi off. But sometimes having both of these enabled can cause issues with your login. Now, another thing to try is to make sure you're disconnected from any VPNs. If you are using a VPN on your phone, then you'll need to go ahead and disconnect this. If you're not using a VPN, then you can also try connecting to a VPN. Sometimes this can also solve the issue. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and that still hasn't solved it, another thing you can do is just try using your email to sign in instead of your phone number. Now, we can do this just by pressing use email in the bottom left hand side and then typing in the email address that you use for your account. And finally, if that still doesn't work, then the last thing we can do is just hold down on the application icon, come over to remove app, and then press delete app. Click on delete to make sure you delete all of its data, and then we're going to head back over to the App Store, head over to search, and then just reinstall the Cash App from here. And hopefully once your application's reinstalled, that should have now fixed any login issues you were experiencing. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.